Hi, this is Celia Sellers with Keller Williams Realty. A few days ago I posted a blog on your buying power now that interest rates have dropped from 5% to an average of 4%. And it got me thinking. I thought I'd like to offer a little more information on the current market trends, particularly now that summer's over and the majority of home buying seems to have been completed. So 2% in June, 17% in July, almost 29% in August, and 12% in September over the same months last year. So real estate activity is definitely increasing year over year from 2010 to 2011. Now what's selling, you ask? Well, the majority of the sales in this past summer months, like I talked about, June, July, August, and September, were in the under 200,000 category. So homes priced under 200,000 sold 40% of the total homes in this same time period that we've been talking about. An additional 30% were priced in the $200,000 to $300,000 range, and the remaining 20% were priced in the $300,000 to $500,000 range. So the movement right now, the activity that we're really seeing, is on homes under $200,000. So what's it take to get a home sold these days? It is still a buyer's market unless you're in that under $200,000 price range, and then sellers really have the advantage because there's a larger demand for those properties right now. If you're listing your home for 0 to 250,000, you can expect to get within 3 to 4% of your listing price. However, buyers are still demanding concessions to close, and that will cost you an additional 1 to 2%. So you can look at discounting your price up to about 5% off your list price in order to get your home sold if it's under 250,000. Now for homes that are priced 250,000 to 500,000, it's very similar. You can expect a 4% discount off of your list price to get that home under contract, and an additional 1 to 2% in concessions. Those numbers jump a little bit if you're listing a home between 500,000 and 750,000. To get that house under contract, you're going to have to discount your list price up to 6%, so a little bit deeper discount. And you're also going to look at an additional 1 to 2% in seller concessions to get that home sold. Finally, we want to talk about distressed homes just briefly. Everybody is aware of the impact of foreclosures and short sales on the market. And I took a look at distressed home sales during that same time frame that we've been talking about this past summer, June, July, August, and September. And they were pretty steady, so nothing has much changed in that area. Bank-owned properties made up 17% of the total amount of homes sold in these past 4 months, and short sales made up another 8%. So you can see that they are still impacting our market greatly, which is not great news for a seller. You do have to be competitive in your pricing, but it's still great news for buyers, particularly with today's low interest rates at 4%. If you'd like more information, go to my website at www.denverneighborhoodhomes.com or give me a call, 303-921-3199. Thanks to my friends at Land Title and Megan Aller for putting together these numbers for me, and I hope to talk to you soon.